All right, this is Ronald Shaw with FTT 104. Today's date is March 16th, 2025. And we're going to demonstrate the field stripping and reassembly of my 1911. So first things first, we're going to make sure that the workspace is clear and free of live ammunition, which it is. The only thing in my workspace is the 1911. Gonna do a quick clearing procedure to deem the firearm safe. So first thing we're going to do is release the magazine, slide it off to the side. As we can see, no ammunition. Then we're going to do is lock the slide back, do a visual and physical check, make sure that the chamber is clear, there's no obstructions of the barrel. Now that we have deemed the firearm safe, we can begin our field stripping and reassembly of the 1911. So with the 1911, first thing that we're going to do is the collar. We're going to push down on the button, swing the collar out to the side, making sure that we hold down because it is under spring tension. We're going to slowly let that release, removing the button, sending it off to the side. The next thing that we're going to do from this position is we're going to rock the slider back so we can remove the slide lock. Once we remove the slide lock, remove the slide lock. Slide lock. Then we can slide the slide and the barrel off together, taking the lower, set it off to the side for now. Then we can remove the spring and guide rod, leaving that together. We can set that off to the side. Then the collar, we can swing back the other way, remove the collar. We can now then remove the barrel and the slide. That is a field strip of the 1911. The assembly is just that in reverse. So what we'll do is we start with the slide, set that upside down. We take our barrel, and what we want to do is make sure that we keep this pushed forward. We then slide our barrel in from the front, letting it drop into place. We then take our collar with the nipple. We can set that in here, making sure that it is aligned, and then rotate it, locking the barrel into place. We then take our spring and guide rail with our half circle down on the barrel, feed our spring through the front, keeping our barrel in place. We then hold that down. So from here, we take and hold our thumb against the guide rod, turn the barrel upside down. On our receiver and on the back of our slide, you can see our cutouts. On our receiver here, we have our two that are matched to fit that. So then we can line those up, slide those together. Once our thumb has hit the receiver, the lower, we can just continue. We can remove our thumb, slide this back, and from here, once we get back, so what we're looking for here is the notch over where the slide lock is actually going to lock in. When we look in our circle for where the slide lock slides in, if we need to, we can move the barrel back and forth just a little bit to make that circle complete. Looks like right there is good. Take our slide lock, push down into our hole. Get it to lock in. Once that's locked in, we can then slide our slide all the way forward. Setting this here. We then take our button, cover the spring, push that all the way down, hold down with your thumb, take your other hand, take that collar, and swing it back over, locking it over top. Once that has been locked over top, we can cycle the action and see that everything works as it should. And that is a field strip and reassembly of a 1911.